In today's video, I will walk you through how to view the economic calendar on investing.com. The economic calendar is one of the most valuable tools on investing.com because it helps you keep track of important economic events that can influence financial markets. Whether you trade stocks, Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or indices, the calendar allows you to stay informed about upcoming reports, central bank announcements, and other market-moving events. First, open up investing.com on your desktop or mobile app. Look up at the top main navigation menu. You'll see a dedicated link for the economic calendar. Clicking that brings you straight to the master schedule of global financial events, listing everything from central bank speeches and employment reports to GDP releases in real time. The calendar can look overwhelming at first with hundreds of data points, but the power is in the filters. Set your time zone. Ensure the calendar matches your local trading hours so you don't miss a beat. Filter for high-impact, three-bowl events is the best way to cut through the noise. Filter by country. Select only the economies you actually trade, like the US, Eurozone, or Japan. Many traders use the economic calendar before entering or exiting positions because major announcements can lead to increased market volatility. Reviewing the calendar ahead of time allows you to prepare for scheduled events instead of being caught off guard by sudden price movements. As new economic data becomes available throughout the day, the calendar updates automatically with the latest results. You can revisit the page whenever you want to monitor upcoming events or review recently released economic reports. And that's how to view the economic calendar on investing.com.